someone suffering from dark skin patches and has tried almost all the possible home remedies, but that has worked only if say 1 or 2% for you, then you're having hyperpigmentation and you must go to your doctor as soon as possible. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Unaiza Khan and I'm founder and director of Allure Greens Skincare. And today I'll be discussing some practical ways to deal with hyperpigmentation effectively. Now let's see, first of all, what is hyperpigmentation? Whenever you find that a particular part of your skin is becoming darker than the rest of the body part, then it is called hyperpigmentation. And it can be in the form of dark spots, small patches or large areas. Also, it can occur on face and anywhere else in your body too. Even the most sensitive parts have them also. Now the question arises that how does this happen? Normally our skin cells produce a pigment called melanin, and melanin is responsible for giving our skin tone brownish coloration. And due to any case, due to any condition or any disease, if this melanin formation exceeds the normal range, then the skin appears to be darker. And there are certain trigger factors why does this happen, such as overexposure to sun or chemotherapy or local minor injuries, etc. Now comes the treatment part. The very first thing that comes to our mind in case of hyperpigmentation is we only want to treat it with the local and home remedies such as haldi, chandan and besan. There's nothing wrong in it, but my advice is to use them only for 5 to 7 days. And if it's not affecting or your patch is increasing in fact in size, then immediately you must go to doctor and get your consultation done. Never ever go to the medical shop, because what that person is going to do is present you with an ointment which is full of steroids, and steroids are really bad for your skin in the long run. They can make your skin thin and then your skin becomes more susceptible to sun damage. They can also make your skin look more pigmented than ever before. Also, if you're applying it on face, then it can give you excess facial hair, which is also a very bad side effect, and the list continues. So my suggestion is go to the doctor as soon as you realize that no home remedy is helping your pigmentation in any way. And I've treated most of the patients who are suffering from hyperpigmentation, and many of them were actually using this over-the-counter drug, and the complications were also produced, like they were having thinning of skin, and it was a big challenge for me because that kind of treatment requires utmost patience, care and constant support. So always get your consultation done and go to your doctor. Now comes the exciting part of the video. The people who are suffering from hyperpigmentation can text me hyperpigmentation on this number given below and can get free skin consultation and also 35% off on their curated skincare regime. So stay tuned and follow us on all social medias, and for any help, WhatsApp me on this number. Thank you.